Hello friends, welcome to our channel Maths Wala Suraj Mathur. Today we have brought another lecture for you. In this lecture we are going to see how can you create a free trial account of Salesforce that will be active for 30 days. So I am going to tell you step by step, guide you step by step, like how can you register your account and then how can you proceed with the password configurations and your login into that account. So let's start this. So let's go. Into browser and then type Salesforce free trial account, and once you type this, you will get different options in which you have to select Salesforce uh, professional edition to 30-day trial. In that you need to enter your details like first name. So here I am entering first name as Mathswala and last name as Suraj Mathur, and then I have to enter here title. So I'm currently giving it as title as teacher, and after that I will enter my working email, and that is basically my college email. You can also use your organization email or any kind of email you have, and you need to enter your company. So I just randomly I am entering Mathswala, and you need to also enter phone number. So I am entering my phone number here. You also need to enter there, and once you enter that, you will get receive email notification of that your account have registered and to proceed with the further part. Okay, so we'll check email. As you can see on email I have got that notification as I need to click on this link. So once I click on this link, my email will be verified. As you can see, verify email address option is there. So my email will be verified here, and after that I need to do continue, and after that I will get login page of Salesforce. But as you can see, I haven't set my password yet, so I need to enter my email. I need to do forgot your password, and here I have option to proceed for the password. So I will enter my email here, and after entering email I will click on continue button. So I click here, and after that uh, as you can see, check your email. Currently I am checking my email, but as you can see I haven't got any email. I have tried two three times this, but I haven't got any email. Then I checked spam folder, and in a spam I actually this email was there. As you can see, that support Salesforce. I click on there, and here you can see URL is there for login, and after that username is there, and using this username I can set my password. Okay, so I will go to URL of Salesforce. As you can see, now we have option of ready for new password. Click on reset password, and after clicking on this, I have option to set password, and as you can see all the criteria are there like character, letter and all. So you need to set your password accordingly. So after entering all the details, and also there is one security question, where is your birthplace. So for now I am keeping it as Mumbai, and clicking on change password, and after clicking on this, so I my account is created, I think, and I just need to verify it after login. As you can see, I have login here, and what I will do now, like I want to keep same email for different portals that I have used for Okta and all. So I will change my user email here, which is my college email. So I will change the user email here. I will go to advanced setting, and after clicking on advanced setup, I have option of user here. So I will select user, and after clicking on user, as you can see, different users are there. So in this first one was mine. So I will click on Mathswala Suraj Mathur, and after clicking on this, here I will change my username so that I will have consistent email across all the portals, and there won't be any confusion regarding anything. Okay. Also in future we will be going to see integration of different portals, so really helpful for me to maintain a same email across all the portals. Okay, so after that I will try to log in with my new user email method, basically which I have set now. So I have entered my email and now currently entering my password, and after entering my password, I have been logged in. As you can see, I have dashboard of Salesforce. So we have done with this video. I hope you have understood how can you create your 30-day free trial account. That too will be a enterprise version, and you will have different options there, like you can integrate applications through SAML, OIDC, and you can also manage your user and all that you can do through Salesforce. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if this give you any benefit and if it saves times of your documentation and all, then please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching this video.